But I tell you guys, this is the best coquito I've ever made. Give it a try, y'all. It's so freaking good. Hey y'all, so today we're making the one and only coquito. Okay, so I'm about to make some coquito. This week I went to the supermarket twice, 2 times. Even went to the supermarket this afternoon and I still forgot the condensed milk for the coquito. I'm so mad because I don't know why I thought I had some, but I don't, and I refuse to go to the supermarket again. It's dark outside. It's nighttime. Well, not really, it's like 6 p.m, but anyways, it's dark outside, so I'm not going to nobody's store again. So I'm just gonna, and I really want to make coquito today. I really want to make the video today. I feel like drinking something good tonight, so I'm gonna make it, and I'm gonna attempt to make condensed milk from scratch. It's super easy. It's just regular milk, whatever milk you choose, and sugar. So we'll see how it goes, but let's get started. Okay, let's make some coquito. I'm not making much though. All right, y'all, so I'm pouring my milk. I'm using whole milk, 2 cups of whole milk in here, and I'm gonna add some white sugar. I guess I should measure it, so I can tell you guys how much sugar I add. Now, so you don't have to do the step, but like I said, I forgot to buy condensed milk, so I'm making it from scratch. You don't have to make it from scratch. You can just go to the store, get you 1 or 2 cans of condensed milk, okay, and you're good to go. But if you want to make it from scratch, go by all means, go ahead. Do you, boo? Okay, so I added 2 cups of white sugar, and I'm just gonna mix it and let it start to simmer and thicken. Okay, we just gotta let it thicken. Stir constantly while it's thickening. Okay, you guys, so altogether I added 3 cups of sugar, and I let it cook for about 30 minutes or so until it thickened. This is what it looked like in the end. So for my first try, it wasn't too bad, and after I turned off the stove, I placed it in the refrigerator to cool, and this is what it turned out like. Next time I'm sure I'll do even better, and it tasted just like condensed milk, so I was happy. Okay, y'all, so let's make the coquito. The first thing I added was coconut milk, then I added the coco Lopez, 1 can evaporated milk, some vanilla extract, and some almond extract. So I added 1 can of almost everything except the coconut milk. I don't like adding too much of that, so I only added like half a can. So for the spices, now I'm adding some freshly ground nutmeg and some ground cinnamon. Okay, y'all, now it's time for the best part. I added some white rum and a little bit of Hennessy, and it tasted amazing with it. Okay, traditionally Bacardi is used, so if you can, try and get that. Okay, and then you're gonna cover your blender and let that blend for about 2 to 3 minutes so everything can be well blended and mixed and just creamy and delicious. After 2 to 3 minutes of blending, that's basically it. You can pour yourself some. I added some cinnamon in the bottom of my cup, and yeah, you can pour some of the coquito to taste it, but you guys let it chill in the refrigerator for a little bit so it can, you know, marinate and be delicious. And then you can pour yourself a cup and enjoy. It's so good. The flavors were just on point. Okay, you want to store it in a glass jar or whatever you have, seal it and put it to chill. Okay, and yeah, let's taste it. Let's taste it, you guys. Okay, let's try it. So I didn't let it refrigerate and like set yet because I want to try it for you guys, but let us see how it tastes. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, ah. Y'all, this tastes so good. Oh. But I tell you guys, this is is the best coquito I've ever made. Give it a try, y'all. It's so freaking good. It's so good, you guys. Oh my god. The flavor is 10. It is so good. Oh, I'm so hyped. But anyways, you guys, that's it for my coquito. I hope you give it a try. If you give the recipe a try, let me know if you love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. We are on a roll for vloggers. This is so I'm so mad Lila can't try this.